What if I told you there are people getting paid to just chat online? No degree, no experience, no laptop needed. And before you think this is another scam, these are real jobs or gigs that companies are paying people to do right now. And if you have not started making money online using your phone, then you don't know what you're missing. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best ways in which you can earn money online by chatting online. Yeah, just using your phone. Without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video. And in case you are new to my channel, I'm Nora, and on this channel we talk everything about making money online, saving and spending. If this is a kind of content that you love, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, press the share button, and let's get started. The first way in which you can get paid to chat online is through chat moderation. So as a chat moderator, there are tasks or jobs that will be hired in order to be performing online. For example, you'll be hired to manage online communities, and there are things that you'll be supposed to do as a chat moderator. For example, you'll be answering questions, removing spam, enforcing community rules, and helping community members. So those are some of the tasks that you are required to do as a chat moderator. And as a chat moderator, you don't need an experience, laptop, or even a degree. You only need your phone and an internet connection, and you are good to go. And this is one of the best jobs that you can do as a beginner. Let's go to the second way. So it's customer support chat agent. So as a customer support chat agent, you'll be hired to answer people, but not through phone calls. So instead of answering phone calls, you'll be communicating with customers through messages. Yeah, so as a customer chat agent, you will not be hired to answer phone calls or call customers or people. The only thing you are going to do is talk to them through messages. You reply to their messages and help them. You answer their questions and all that. The third one is social media community manager. You've heard about this so much, and many business owners do not have the time, to run their, social media accounts or pages. Or many business owners don't have the time to reply to messages, to reply to all people, reply to their messages, comments, or even engage with the followers. So that's where social media community manager comes in. Yeah, since those business owners are very busy, that's why they hire social media community managers. Yeah, to be helping with all the answering messages, replying to comments and all that, engaging with the followers and all that. So that's your work as a social media manager. So the fourth one is live stream moderators. I'm gonna start this by asking a question. If you've joined any live stream, be it on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, or even TikTok, I think you've seen people who we call moderators. These people remove, inappropriate comments or spam comments and all that. So that is basically what a chat moderator does, or a live stream moderator does. So you'll be hired by a content creator in order to manage their live stream. And your work as a live stream moderator will be monitoring chats, removing inappropriate comments, as we've said, and answering questions from the followers. So that's basically what a live stream moderator will do. Answering questions, removing all the inappropriate comments, the spam comments, and also monitoring chats. Yeah, and this is actually one of the easiest ways you can start making money chatting online. Yeah, you don't need any experience. Yeah, and it doesn't mean that you have to pitch to big companies in order to start working as a live stream moderator. You can even approach your friend who goes online, or maybe who manages an online business and they usually go live. You can be hired as a live stream moderator, and then you'll be paid to do that. So those are some of the ways in which you can make money chatting online using only your phone. And by the way, we've talked about 4 ways: as a chat moderator, customer support chat agent, social media community manager, and live stream moderator. You can choose one of them, or you can do 2 or 3 or all of them. You know, it's better to, not to depend on one way. So when you combine 2 or more ways of making money online, that will be maximizing earnings and all that. So I'll end this video by saying that the biggest mistake people are making right now is to think that for you to start making money online, you need, coding skills, big computers, experience, college degrees, and all that. But that's not the case. If you utilize the phone that you already have, you'll start making money online. There are so many ways in which you can start making money as a beginner. So let me know in the comment section if you are already making money using your phone, or if you are not doing that, let me know which of the 4 ways that you've talked about. I mean, which of the ways are you going to start with? Which one are you going to try first? As for me, I've tried all of them and I can confidently say that they all work. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Share the video and don't forget to come back and watch our next video. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.